Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Thank you for clicking and watching my video. Welcome all of you. This is very good day. This is MD Masoom in front of you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. May I ask you some questions?
Yes, you can ask me some questions.
Okay. How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. What's your full name?
My full name is MD Inan Prathan.
What's your nickname?
My nickname is Inan.
Which name can I call you?
You can call me only Inan because my family members, relatives, and friends are call me Inan.
Okay. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 7.
What's your school name?
My school name is Shundripur High School.
How old are you?
I am currently 13.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is MD Inan Prathan.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mr. Agyata.
What does your father do?
He is an expatriate.
How is your father?
Alhamdulillah, my father is very excellent by the grace of Almighty Allah.
Do you love your father?
Yes, I love my father.
Okay, MashaAllah. What's your village name?
My village name is Shundrpur.
What's your union name?
My union name is Shundrpur.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mr. Agyata.
What does your mother do?
He is a homemaker.
How is your mother?
Alhamdulillah, my mother is very excellent by the grace of Almighty Allah.
Do you love your mother?
Yes, I love my mother.
What's your Upazila name?
My Upaja name is Daudkandi.
What's your district name?
My district name is Kumilla.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
What's your favorite fruits?
My favorite fruits my favorite fruit is pineapple.
Do you have any brother?
No, I have no brother.
Do you have any sister?
No, I have no sister.
What's your grandfather name?
My grandfather name is Abdul Aziz.
Do you love your grandfather?
Yes, I love my grandfather.
How is your grandfather?
Alhamdulillah, my grandfather is very excellent by the grace of Almighty Allah.
What's your grandmother name?
My grandmother name is Jana Begum.
Do you love your grandmother?
Yes, I love my grandmother.
How is your grandmother?
Alhamdulillah, my grandmother is very excellent by the grace of Almighty Allah.
When you get up?
I get up at 6 a.m.
When you go to your bed?
I go to my bed at 9 p.m.
What's your division name?
My division name is Chittagong.
What's your country name?
My country name is Bangladesh.
What's your district name?
My district name is Kumilla.
What's your capital name?
My capital name is Dhaka.
What's your favorite fish?
My favorite fish is Hilcha fish.
What's your favorite dress?
My favorite dress is Pajama and Punjabi.
What's your uncle name?
My uncle name is Mahbub and Mani.
What does your uncle do?
They do farming.
They do farming. Do you love your uncle?
Yes, I love my uncles.
How is your uncles?
Alhamdulillah, my uncles are very excellent by the grace of Almighty Allah.
How many members in your family do you have?
We are 3 members in my family.
Who are they?
They are my father, mother, and me.
Okay, MashaAllah.